welcome to another video from Dr. Lock, just an on-the-job video. So this particular door here, this double door, is a fire door, and although it's a garbage room, it's got this strip on the edge, and the idea behind this is that it stops and it blocks the smoke and that no fire can penetrate. These are fire doors. You can check it, and I can see the fire door plaque right there. So with fire doors, they do need to be self-latching. And because this is a block of units, these particular doors need to be self-latching and come to a complete, close once somebody goes through it. So when this door gets inspected, it's not going to pass. So it's got door closers on it, that's okay. It's got top and bottom hinges, fixed pins, that's okay. The door itself, on its own steam, doesn't work. So the actual rubber, you can see that here, there's just not enough gap, and the actual rubber is so tight, it's pulling that bolt off. So realistically, we've only got like a mil. We need a couple more mil. So what we're going to do is going to use this tool. Now this is the Hulk, but there are better ones by the Hinge Doctor and stuff like that. And we face this side towards the lock set. And what we're going to do is we're going to bend it to try and remove some of that gap and put the gap over here. So there's plenty of gap here, there's no gap here. Alright, so to do that we should be able to come in from here, and I'll bend these ones, the frame ones backwards. 1, 2. Might scratch the paint a little. 3, 4. Okay. So let's see how that goes. Almost. We need more. Get on there. Alright, round 2. Oh, look at that. Door opens. Door latches. Okay, we need to tighten up this arm to get it to pull a little bit more, but I think we're good. So we need to get a little bit more and adjust the strike so it's actually locking in, because at the moment it's not actually locking in, or the latch is not locking in. But the gap on the door is less friction on the rubber now, meaning that the door closer, this pissy little door closer, should be enough to actually get it over the line. And at least then when they do the fire inspections, annual fire inspections, they're going to say, okay, is it self-latching? And, well, it will be once I give that a little tighten. But this little tool and adjusting those hinges was the easiest thing to do compared with any other option of fixing that gap, because the builders, of course, left no gap. You can see the trim's moved over, and I'll probably tighten those screws up as well to try and move that back and get a little bit more room there. But it's a solution to a problem. At least now the door can be serviced and workable. It's a rubbish room, so the idea of putting lots of money into it to get it all redone is probably not the right way. Alright, leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching another video from Dr. Lock. So we're going to adjust this latch now, and when the door closes, it's just not latching in. Alright, let's do it. Okay. Okay, so we had to drop it quite a bit, grind it out quite a bit. Look, it's not a perfect hole, but this is a rubbish room, so it needs to lock and latch. It's not the sort of door that's worth flush mounting a striker plate on, so just by doing that quick adjust, allows it to work. Okay, thanks for watching.